Helicopters Magazine is here today with Fred Jones, President and CEO of the Helicopter Association of Canada. With the HAC conference and trade show coming up in just less than a month, we thought we'd take this opportunity to talk to Fred a little bit about the committee structure of the HAC and what kinds of changes or what kind of plans you have for this in the future.
There'll be some very interesting things happening with the committees, Drew, at the spring conference this year for HAC. We have a very active and engaged membership through the committees, and a number of them are in the process of developing best practice standards for specialty areas of operation in the helicopter community. So I expect that will generate a lot of discussion from members. There will also be some very interesting things happening in the weeks leading up to the conference around the committees. HAC is about to launch a new website that will facilitate communication between members and from members to the association and to our committees. I think it'll be a radical departure from the way our committees operate currently, and will hugely facilitate communication through the association from one member to another.
So Fred, I understand that you're going to be using a technology that creates online forums so that people across various committees can provide input and get information. Can you tell us a little bit about how that particular software and how that whole thing works?
Sure. This is a very exciting change at the association. It'll create an online forum for particular areas of operation, so that operators with an interest in safety or air taxi operations will be able to self-select their interest in that area, and they'll receive any information that's posted to that site. So rather than receive nuisance emails on issues that they have no interest in, the member will identify which committees they're interested in receiving information on, and as soon as new information is posted there, whether it's a newsworthy item, whether it's a new regulation, or whether it's an issue raised by an individual member, other members of that committee will instantaneously receive that information with a teaser and then be invited to view that article in its entirety on the HAC site. Once they're there, they'll be able to wander anywhere they want in any of the other committees if they'd like to see what airborne law enforcement is doing or what any of the other committees are doing.
That sounds terrific. Thank you very much, Fred. Mr. Fred Jones.